Stop right now. If you are listening to this and you have a notebook full of English words you are trying to memorize, I want you to take that notebook and throw it in the trash.
Wait, Tom, you could not just tell our listeners to throw away all their hard work. Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the Easy English for Beginners channel. I am your co-host, Anna.
And I am Tom. I know it sounds crazy, Anna, but memorizing long lists of English words is exactly why people freeze up when they try to speak. Today, we are going to fix that forever. We are going to teach you the second brain system. It takes zero memorization.
Zero memorization? But Tom, my teachers always told me to memorize 10 new words a day. If we do not memorize, how do we learn?
That is the big trap that 90% of English learners fall into. Human brains are not built to read lists. If you look at a piece of paper that says apple equals manzana, your brain deletes that information by tomorrow morning. Your brain thinks it's useless data. Instead, we need to build a second brain on your phone using pictures.
Okay, I am so curious. What exactly is a second brain?
A second brain is simply a photo album on your phone. Science shows that the human brain remembers pictures 60,000 times faster than words. So instead of writing down an English word, you save a picture on your phone. Then you look at those pictures for just 3 minutes a day. We call this micro-practice.
I really wish I knew this before. I remember traveling to London. I walked into a coffee shop. I knew the English words in my head, but when the cashier looked at me, I panicked. I forgot everything. I felt so embarrassed.
We've all been there, but pictures connect to your feelings. They skip the panic. When you see a picture, you don't have to translate from your native language to English. You just know the meaning immediately. Do you want to try it right now? Let's build a second brain together with our listeners.
Yes, let's do it. If you're listening at home, walking to work, or driving, make sure to subscribe to the Easy English for Beginners channel right now so you never miss a lesson. Okay, Tom, teach me. How do we start?
Great. Today we are adding 5 very common everyday English idioms to our second brain. Idioms are phrases that don't mean exactly what the words say. Native speakers use them all the time. Here's phrase number 1. Out of the blue.
Out of the blue. Okay, what picture should I save on my phone for this?
I want everyone listening to close your eyes for a second. Imagine a clear, beautiful blue sky. It's a perfect sunny day. Suddenly, a giant, heavy piano falls right out of the blue sky and hits the ground with a loud smash.
Oh my goodness, that is a crazy picture.
Exactly. Crazy pictures stay in your brain forever. Out of the blue means something happens very suddenly. It's a complete surprise, just like a piano falling from a beautiful blue sky.
That makes so much sense. So if my old friend calls me on the phone and we haven't spoken in 5 years, I can say, she called me out of the blue.
Perfect, you got it. Listeners, lock that picture of the blue sky in your mind. Now you have your first second brain image. Are you ready for phrase number 2?
I am ready.
Phrase number 2 is cold shoulder.
Cold shoulder. Should I picture someone with snow and freezing ice on their shoulder?
Yes, picture a person you know. Now imagine they have huge chunks of freezing ice on their shoulder. They turn their back to you, they refuse to look at you. They look angry and freezing cold.
Oh, I can see that clearly. Does cold shoulder mean ignoring someone?
Exactly. To give someone the cold shoulder means you ignore them on purpose because you're upset or unfriendly. For example, you could say, I said hello to David at the party, but he gave me the cold shoulder.
Wow, the picture makes it so easy. I don't even have to translate the words in my head. I just see the ice on the shoulder and I know what it means.
That's the magic of the second brain. You stop translating and start feeling the language. Okay, let's move to phrase number 3. This is one you'll hear every single week in English. Phrase number 3 is under the weather.
Under the weather. Okay, let me try to make the picture for this one.
Go ahead, Anna. Show the listeners how it's done.
I'm picturing a dark, rainy storm cloud. A man is standing inside his house, but the rain cloud is right above his head. He's getting rained on, he's sneezing, and he looks very sick and tired.
That's perfect. You're a natural at this. Yes, to be under the weather means to feel sick.
So if I can't go to work because I have a cold, I can call my boss and say, I'm feeling a bit under the weather today. I need to stay home.
Exactly right. See how easy this is? You're not studying, you're just painting pictures in your mind. Let's do phrase number 4. This one is very fun. The phrase is spill the beans.
Spill the beans. Like dropping food on the floor?
Sort of. Picture a shiny metal can of baked beans, but inside this can is a big secret. Maybe a secret map or a secret letter. Now imagine you drop the can. The beans spill all over the floor and everyone can see the secret inside.
Oh, I love that one. So does spill the beans mean to tell a secret?
Yes, it means to accidentally tell a secret or reveal a surprise. If you're planning a surprise birthday party for your brother, you might say to your sister, please don't spill the beans. Don't tell him about the party.
That is so visual, spilling the beans everywhere so everyone can see the secret. Okay, what is our final phrase for today?
Our final and 5th phrase is couch potato.
Couch potato. I think I can guess this one. Let me try. I'm picturing a giant round potato. The potato is wearing pajamas, it's sitting on a comfortable couch, eating potato chips, and watching TV all day long.
That is a hilarious picture, and you are 100% correct. A couch potato is a person who is very lazy. They just want to sit on the couch and watch TV instead of doing anything active.
So if my friend asks me to go running on Saturday morning, I can say, no thank you, I'm going to be a couch potato today.
Exactly. Now let's review to make sure our listeners have their second brains fully built. Listeners, think of the pictures in your head right now. Say the answers out loud with us. A heavy piano falling from the sky means
Out of the blue, a big surprise.
someone turning away with ice on their back means
Cold shoulder, ignoring someone.
a man standing under a rain cloud inside his house sneezing means
Under the weather, feeling sick.
dropping a can on the floor so the secret falls out means
Spill the beans, telling a secret.
and a giant potato sitting on a sofa watching TV means
Couch potato, being very lazy.
you did it. If you're listening, you just learned 5 difficult English phrases in less than 10 minutes. You didn't memorize a boring list, you just built your second brain.
This is amazing. Learning English feels fun and easy now. I feel so much more confident.
It really is. All you need is 3 minutes a day. Open your phone, look at your pictures, and say the phrases out loud. It's that simple. When you use pictures, English becomes a permanent part of your mind.
Thank you so much, Tom. And thank you everyone for listening to us today. If this method helped you, please share this video with a friend who is also learning English. Send it to them right now.
Yes, help your friends build their second brains too. Learning together is always better. And don't forget to look at the description below this video. I put a free link down there so you can download our picture templates to your phone right now.
You are the best, Tom. Remember to subscribe to the Easy English for Beginners channel so you can learn with us every week. Keep practicing your pictures, and we'll see you in the next lesson. Bye!
Bye, everyone. Keep up the great work.